Hey guys, I'm Jake with Fueled UTV. We are back here in Sand Hollow, Utah for another epic adventure, UTV Takeover Week 2025. We can't wait to get started. It's Monday afternoon right now. Had to come out and test out some of the machines. First up on the list is a ride with MTS tomorrow on the Barracks Trail down towards Kanab. We can't wait to get started and see what this week has to bring. So let's get into it. I want to be covered in mud. That's all.
Looking through the paper though he doesn't know to read. Ooh, yeah. Oh, praying after something that has never shown him anything.
Okay, you buying another one?
The real liquor, the paint dripper, ice in my rains glitter. I straight flipper, the cheese like a pancaker, falling from trees like the leaves in I'm a handbreaker, project cutter, attracting damn pieces. I'm dirty sucker, French spray, gold teeth. I'm out here making sense, cause I'm out here making dollars. I keep a bad bro, though, and I'm top.
All right, guys, that's a wrap. UTV Takeover, Sand Hollow 2025. We had another epic week down here. By far, one of our favorite areas in the country to ride. We can't wait to get back out here. Until then, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos like this, and we'll see you out on the trail.